So if y'all are going to put up those Govee lights this year, they are not just for Christmas. Let me tell you something. Do not use the screws that they give you. They are just a nightmare. They do not screw in well. They don't have a sharp tip. The head on them is so hard to hold. We dropped so many of them. I'm going to show you guys the screws to use, and they'll go in with so much ease. All right, the first thing you're going to do is take off that sticker and then untwist the cord so that you know it's laying flat. Put that little clip on there and press and hold it. Now, while you're pressing and holding that, go ahead and get your screwdriver. Put that screw. It should have a magnetic tip on it, so you can just put it right on there and it'll stay on there for you. Just grab that screwdriver and this thing, watch how easy this goes in. 2 seconds. Boom, it's in. Here it is up close so you can see exactly where those screws are going. You're just holding that right up there. I made sure that this vent plate was out of the way so that it went into the wood, but just zip, zip, goes right in. Now here they are all up, and yeah, we just screwed in every single one of them. That's your best bet to do this if you're not doing the covers. And it's very important to start there at the peak of each of your eaves right there. I have a video that shows you how to measure and correctly start these. And you can put these as close to the bricks or, you know, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, however far you like. I like them all the way closest up. It creates a really cool pattern. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.